Welcome back to Anthony Marshall Auto Garage, and today on the channel we have a very special video. We're going to be installing an exhaust. Not on my SN95, not on my Grand Cherokee, but today's a special video. We have Rabbi Dan and his
RC 350 from 2015. I've been needing some sound, been a little quiet, so AMA Garage introduced me to an Axleback, so I decided to go and purchase it. So today is the installation of a muffler delete Axleback on a 2015 RC 350. Stay tuned.
Yeah, my life be like, yeah, yeah, my life be like, yeah.
Alright, so here we are. Let's unbox it. From Mark, the exhaust company. Man, you didn't even open this. You didn't take anything off of this.
Everything is exactly where it should be.
Bushings. So this packaging job and these welds on this are pretty decent. I'm actually surprised for where this came from. I do not know, but for the price, I'm pretty surprised. But the packaging is A+, very protectant. It took me like 10 minutes just to rip off this one. Look at those tips though. Goodbye quietness. Alright, so now that we're back, we got our jack stands and our jack. We find our lift points underneath the car. And alright. Lift point.
Now, here's
Alright, so you want to lift it up from here, the pinch weld of the car, then the jack point is right there. That big piece of orange metal. And you go get your jack stands and put one under. That's the only one that's gonna fit. Find a good height, and then you safe. All right, and you drop the car nice and slow. Not a little too fast, but this is a junk jack. And you see where it's at. Make sure it's okay. And it's good. You repeat the same thing on the other side. Alright, so we're under here. We got our tools. I used 14s to get this on, but if you can look, that bolt, it's a weird head. So, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get that off. After you have the bolts off, you see that and that, yeah, putting some new bolts in. Obviously, take that. Where are you?
I'm right here.
Alright, so you have the bolts in. Now you're going to take a 14 millimeter socket to each one and tighten it down. See, they're in right here and right here. When you're taking off, you got to take out these rubber bushings and replace it with the ones that come. Just take it off, spray some watery soap or silicone spray lube, and they just slide off nice and easy like that. You got one here and one there and one there. So you're going to repeat the process on the other side. From the back. Just a little bit. So that is all for today. We're going to talk a little bit. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that bell button so for notifications whenever new videos pop up. If you want anything else to be done, things that you guys want to learn or you just want to see on the channel, leave comments down in the description. How do you like Dave with us?
I think it's fantastic. I'm very, very impressed. Not only was it a great bang for the buck, but I also believe that the work to just install it,
It's easy.
Once you have what you need
Once
and
you
you
have-
improve at that point, it's clockwork once you do it.
Yeah.
You can't beat that.
Also, the packaging came really well.
I've seen a lot of products come and go in my days of modifying cars, but the packaging on that was, I think, bar none, 10 out of 10.
Yes.
I was very impressed. Remark, 2 thumbs up from me. You guys are awesome.
If you have a Lexus RC 350, I'll leave the link down in the description for this exhaust. Peace.